Welcome to our educational video on effective project planning and scheduling techniques. Today, we will explore why planning is crucial to any project's success and take a closer look at the various scheduling techniques that can streamline your workflow. Without proper planning, projects can face numerous challenges, like budget overruns and missed deadlines. But with the right techniques, you can avoid these pitfalls and lead your projects to success. Now, to guide us through these essential strategies, we're excited to introduce our expert in project management. With years of hands on experience and numerous successful projects under their belt, our expert will provide invaluable insights and practical advice to help you master project planning and scheduling. So sit back, take notes, and get ready to transform the way you manage your projects. Let's get started. Before we dive into the techniques, let's first understand the common challenges faced in project planning. Poor planning can lead to missed deadlines, budget overruns, and ultimately project failures. One of the most significant challenges is accurately identifying the project scope and setting realistic objectives. Failing to do so can spiral into confusion and disorganization. Additionally, resource allocation often poses a problem. Underestimating the necessary resources can cause serious delays and inefficiency. Poor communication within the team can derail even well-laid plans. Budget mismanagement is another major issue, leading to projects halting midway. Here are some real-world examples. The Sydney Opera House, originally slated to be completed in 1963 with a budget of $7 million, was finished in 1973 at a cost of $102 million. The Denver International Airport faced severe delays and budget issues due to poor resource allocation and planning. Recognizing these common pitfalls is the first step to ensuring your projects run smoothly. As we move forward, you'll see how to incorporate effective planning strategies to avoid these challenges. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process of effective project planning. To begin, you need to define the project scope. This means clearly outlining what the project will and will not include. Next, set clear and actionable objectives. These objectives will guide your team and provide measurable milestones throughout the project. Once your objectives are set, identify all the resources you'll need. This includes everything from team members and tools to budget and time. Knowing what you need up front will help you better manage these resources as the project progresses. With your scope defined, objectives set, and resources identified, it's time to create a detailed project timeline. This timeline should break down the project into manageable tasks and set deadlines for each one. A well-structured timeline will keep your project on track and ensure that every team member knows what they need to do and when. As we move forward, you'll see how to implement effective scheduling techniques to complement your project planning. Stay tuned for an introduction to different scheduling methods next. Scheduling is a crucial part of project management. Proper scheduling ensures that projects are completed on time and within budget. First, let's discuss why scheduling is important. It helps in allocating resources efficiently, maintaining timelines, and reducing risks. When teams have a clear schedule, they can work more cohesively and address issues proactively. Now, let's delve into the different types of scheduling methods available to project managers, each with its strengths. We'll discuss popular ones like Gantt charts, the critical path method, and PERT charts. Gantt charts provide a visual timeline for projects, helping managers track progress and adjust as necessary. The critical path method, or CPM, identifies the longest sequence of tasks that determine the project duration, allowing project managers to focus on critical activities. PERT charts are useful for planning and controlling tasks by providing a graphical representation. As we move forward, you'll see a detailed explanation of each scheduling technique and learn how to apply them effectively in your projects. One of the most popular scheduling techniques in project management is the Gantt chart. So what exactly is a Gantt chart? It's a powerful visual tool that displays project tasks along a timeline, making it easier to see task durations, overlaps, and dependencies. To create a Gantt chart, begin by listing all your project tasks. Then determine the start and end dates for each task and plot them along a calendar scale. This helps visualize the entire project timeline at a glance. Once your Gantt chart is set up, you can easily track project progress and make adjustments as needed. The benefits of using Gantt charts are immense. They enhance visibility into project stages, help identify potential bottlenecks, and facilitate better communication within the team. Plus, seeing everything laid out visually often leads to more accurate scheduling and resource allocation. As we move forward, you'll see how other scheduling techniques compare and complement Gantt charts, offering a well-rounded toolkit for effective project management. Another effective scheduling technique is the critical path method, or CPM. CPM helps identify the longest stretch of dependent tasks and measure the time required to complete them from start to finish. First, let's understand what CPM is. It is a project management tool that determines the critical path, which represents the sequence of stages determining the minimum project duration. To implement CPM, start by listing all the tasks required to complete the project. Next, determine the dependencies between these tasks and sequence them accordingly. After that, estimate the time needed to complete each task and identify the longest path from start to finish based on these estimates. This path, known as the critical path, signifies the tasks that cannot be delayed without affecting the project's completion date. By focusing on the critical path, project managers can prioritize tasks that are crucial to timely project completion. CPM also helps in efficient resource allocation and identifying potential bottlenecks ahead of time. Understanding and employing CPM can significantly enhance the scheduling and management of complex projects. As we move forward, you'll discover another powerful scheduling technique that can complement your project management toolbox. PERT charts are another valuable tool for project scheduling. Let's delve into what a PERT chart is, how to create one, and the benefits it provides. First, PERT stands for Program Evaluation and Review Technique. It's used to plan and control the tasks within a project, making it excellent for complex and uncertain projects. To create a PERT chart, begin by identifying all tasks required for your project. Next, determine the sequence of these tasks, noting which ones can be done concurrently. Then, estimate the completion time for each task and plot these onto the chart, connecting them with arrows to show dependencies. The benefits of using PERT charts are manifold. They provide a visual time map of project tasks, help in identifying the critical path, and allow for better time management and scheduling. PERT charts also enhance decision-making by highlighting potential bottlenecks and facilitating efficient resource allocation. Understanding how to leverage PERT charts can immensely improve your project outcomes. As we move forward, you'll see more advanced tips to take your scheduling skills to the next level. Here are some expert tips to help you schedule your projects more effectively. The first step is to prioritize your tasks. Identify the most crucial activities and tackle them first. This ensures that your key objectives are met without unnecessary delays. Next, allocate your resources efficiently. Make the best use of your team's skills and the tools at your disposal. This can prevent resource bottlenecks and keep everything running smoothly. Finally, it's essential to continuously monitor progress. Regular check-ins and progress reviews can help you stay on track and quickly address any issues that arise. By integrating these expert tips into your scheduling process, you'll find it easier to manage your projects and achieve your goals. As we move forward, you'll see how these principles are applied in real-world scenarios. Let's look at a real-world example of successful project planning. In this case study, we'll see how the techniques we've discussed were put into practice and what lessons were learned along the way. By examining this tangible example, we can better understand the impact of defining project scope, setting clear objectives, and using effective scheduling methods like Gantt charts and CPM. This project faced several challenges, but by applying these techniques, the team was able to stay on track and achieve their goals. Key takeaways include the importance of prioritizing tasks, efficient resource allocation, and diligent progress monitoring. As we delve into this case study, you'll gain valuable insights that you can apply to your own projects. Stay tuned to see how these strategies come to life in a real-world setting. As we move forward, you'll see the detailed steps taken and the outcomes achieved, setting the stage for more advanced techniques in the next segment. These lessons will not only reinforce the concepts we've covered, but also provide a roadmap for your project management success. As we reach the conclusion of our journey into effective project planning and scheduling, let's recap the essential points. We've explored the significance of detailed planning, delved into various scheduling techniques, and shared expert tips. Each of these tools is vital to ensure your projects meet deadlines and stay within budget. Remember, whether it's using Gantt charts, CPM, or PERT charts, mastering these methods can make a substantial difference in your project's success. Implementing these strategies allows you to anticipate challenges and allocate resources more efficiently. These techniques are not just theoretical, they are proven practices that bring measurable results. So, start applying to your upcoming projects and witness the transformation. The practical insights and tools we've discussed are your blueprint for achieving streamlined and successful project management. Thank you for joining us. If you found this video valuable, make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more educational content. Together, let's keep learning and growing in our project management journey. Until next time, stay organized and keep your projects on track.